Hello and welcome back to the Academy of the Magical Art. This is the mystery of the number 4 from the book The Sacred Magic of the Qabbalah by Manly P. Hall. 4 is a symbol universally accepted to represent the path of accomplishment and the labors to be done. 4 being the number of form and hence of earthly things, it is represented as a cube or a stone within which life is imprisoned. Wherever this is found, it means that the labor of liberating life is the next thing to be accomplished. During involution, man assumed bodies. Now, since the point has turned and evolution is underway, man must now concrete his energies upon the labor of liberating life from its vestments of ignorance. 4 is the number of matter, because for our particular day of manifestation, matter manifests as earth, water, fire, and air, action, vitalization, emotion, and thought. Science recognizes 4 basic principles as the key to all form, which is built up of their compounds. These 4 elements are carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. The higher the plane of evolution, the more life controls its own bodies. These 4 principles, however, form the cross upon which is crucified the spirit of life. 4 is called the symbol of crystallization and is also known as the number of impediment. In astrology, a science well understood by the Kabbalists, 4 is symbolized as a square, one of the so-called evil aspects of a horoscope. It merely means that the points where the square falls, crystallization has not yet given place to vitalization. The square represents us with a problem to be solved, and is therefore a great benefactor in spite of its opposition. Matter is always opposing its own vitalization because of its negation. Matter, symbolized by the cube block of salt in alchemy, is symbolic of the body, while unregenerated seeks to smother and destroy life imprisoned within it. The square, therefore, is a symbol of the tomb, and this holy sculpture is the tomb of matter, in which our own spiritual nature lies buried. This is the cross of 4 arms, which man must carry if he is to reach the footstool of divinity. When our physical body is not properly taken care of, one corner of the square strikes us. When our emotions are not mastered, then the second quarter of the square falls. When our vital systems are depleted, the third angle, as body crystallization steps in, while our destructive thoughts react upon the 4th corner. When we have not been true to any of these, our nature collapses and we are buried in the tomb of matter under the symbol of the 4. By his thoughts, feelings, and actions, man slowly transmutes this square tomb of stone into a cube of glass, from which the light of spirit shines forth through a protective lantern. His present duty is to cleanse the glass, for though we see now through a glass, but darkly, sometime we shall know face to face. 4 represents the number of bodies, and the work we must accomplish within them. They are the useful servants, but they are also hard taskmasters. Thank you for joining with me again today at the Academy of the Magical Art, and until next time, blessed be.